Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English Loop.
Hi guys, welcome back.
This is the place where learning English is simple, relaxing, and fun.
Yes, we are so happy to see you here again.
I am your host, Alex.
And I am Lisa. Hello, Alex. It is great to see you today.
It is great to see you too, Lisa. You look very energetic today.
I am energetic. I had a great sleep and I am ready to chat. How are you doing?
I am doing very well, thank you. I have my coffee, so I am happy.
Always with the coffee, Alex.
Always. You know me. Coffee makes me wake up. What are you drinking? Is that tea?
Yes, it is green tea. It is very fresh and healthy.
Very nice. Maybe one day I will drink tea, but not today.
We will see. So, Alex, are you excited for our episode today?
I am very excited. We have a fantastic topic. It is a topic that every English learner needs.
That is true. It is very useful.
But, Lisa, before we tell everyone the topic, what should they do?
Yes. Everyone, please remember to subscribe to Daily English Loop.
Yes, hit that subscribe button, and please click the like button too.
It really helps our channel grow. And share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, share it with anyone who wants to learn English. Okay, Lisa, are we ready?
We are ready. What is the topic today, Alex?
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
Ooh, tell me about yourself. That is a classic question.
It is the most common question in the world, I think.
I agree. You hear this question everywhere.
At a job interview?
At a party?
On a first date?
In a new classroom?
Exactly. But you know, Lisa, sometimes this question is scary.
Yes, it can be scary. You don't know what to say.
People get nervous. They forget their words.
They think, oh no, what is interesting about me?
Right. So today, we want to fix that. We want to make it easy.
Simple, fun, and stress-free.
We will show you a structure, a pattern to follow.
That sounds perfect. So who should go first?
I think you should interview me first, Lisa.
Okay, I can do that. Alex, are you ready to tell me about yourself?
I think so. Let's start with the basics.
Okay, question number 1. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Can you spell that for our listeners?
Sure. A-L-E-X. Alex.
Short and simple. I like it.
Thank you. And what is your name?
My name is Lisa. L-I-S-A.
L-I-S-A. A lovely name.
Thanks, Alex. Okay, next question. Where are you from?
I am from the United Kingdom.
Oh, from the UK. That explains why you are so polite.
I try my best. I grew up in London.
London, a very big city.
Yes, it is huge. But now I live here in the United States. What about you, Lisa? Where are you from?
I am from the United States. I was born in California.
California, the Golden State. That sounds sunny.
It is very sunny. I love the beach and the ocean.
That sounds wonderful. London is very rainy, so I like the sun.
So, Alex, do you live in a big city now?
No, actually. Now I live in a quiet area. I live in the suburbs.
The suburbs. That is nice. Is it peaceful?
It is very peaceful. There are many trees and parks. I like it. Do you live in the city, Lisa?
Yes, I live right in the center of the city, downtown.
Wow, downtown. Is it noisy?
It is very noisy. There are cars, buses, and people everywhere, but I love the energy.
I understand that. It is exciting. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It is on the 10th floor.
The 10th floor? You must have a great view.
The view is amazing. I can see the whole city lights at night. What about you? House or apartment?
I live in a house. It is a small house, but it is cozy.
Does your house have a backyard?
Yes, it has a small backyard. I like to sit there and drink my coffee in the morning.
That sounds so relaxing.
It is my favorite part of the day.
Okay, so we have name, origin, and where you live. What is next?
Next is usually age and job.
Ah, the age question. Some people are shy about this.
That is true, but we are friends here. It's okay.
Okay, Alex. How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
32. That is a great age.
I feel a little bit old sometimes, but mostly I feel good.
You are not old, Alex. You are still young.
Thank you, Lisa. And you? How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
24. Wow, you are very young.
I have a lot of energy.
I can see that. So at 24, are you a student or do you work?
I work. I have a full-time job.
What do you do, Lisa?
I am a graphic designer.
A graphic designer. That sounds very creative.
It is. I work on a computer. I design logos, websites, and posters. I love colors and shapes.
That is really cool. Do you work in an office?
Sometimes, but usually I work from home.
Working from home is very popular now.
It is great. I can drink my tea and work in my pajamas if I want.
That is the dream.
What about you, Alex? What do you do for a living?
Well, I am not a teacher. I'm actually a travel writer.
A travel writer? That is the coolest job ever.
It is a lot of fun. I travel to different places, I eat interesting food, and then I write articles about it.
Wow! Do you take photos too?
Yes, I take photos for my articles. I love photography.
So you are a writer and a photographer.
Exactly. It keeps me very busy, but I love exploring the world.
I'm jealous. I want to travel with you.
Maybe next time. So we have covered our jobs. This is a big part of Tell Me About Yourself.
Yes. People always ask, what do you do?
It is a good conversation starter.
Okay, let's move to the next topic. Family.
Family is very important. Go ahead, ask me.
Alex, do you have a big family?
Not really. My family is quite small.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one sister, but here's a fun fact. She's my twin.
A twin? Really?
Yes, we have the same birthday.
That is amazing. Do you look the same?
No, we don't look alike, but we think alike. We are very close.
That is so sweet. What is her name?
Her name is Emma.
Emma. And what does Emma do?
She's a doctor. She works in a hospital in London.
A doctor. That is a very difficult job.
Yes, she works very hard. She's very smart.
I bet your parents are proud.
They are. What about you, Lisa? Tell me about your family.
My family is big. I have 3 sisters.
3 sisters? So there are 4 girls in your house?
Yes. Poor Dad. He was the only man.
Wow, that must be a noisy house.
Very noisy. Lots of talking, lots of laughing.
Are you the oldest or the youngest?
I am the youngest. I am the baby of the family.
The baby sister. That is nice. Do your sisters live near you?
Yes, they all live in the same city. We see each other every Sunday for dinner.
That is wonderful. Sunday family dinners are the best.
What about your parents, Alex? What do they do?
My mother is retired now, but she was a librarian. She loves books.
A librarian. That explains why you are a writer. You grew up with books.
Yes, exactly. Our house was always full of books.
And your father?
My father is a musician. He plays the guitar.
A musician. Your family is so interesting. A doctor, a writer, and a musician.
We are a mixed group, that is for sure.
My mom is a nurse and my dad is an engineer.
A nurse and an engineer. Very practical jobs.
Yes, they are very hardworking people.
That is great. Okay, so we talked about family. What is next on our list?
I think we should talk about pets.
Oh, I love this topic. Pets are family too.
They are. So, Alex, do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. But my pet is a little unusual.
Unusual. Do you have a tiger?
No, not a tiger. That would be dangerous. I have a parrot.
A parrot? A bird?
Yes, a green parrot.
That is so cool. Does he talk?
He talks a lot. Sometimes too much.
What is his name?
His name is Captain.
Captain. That is a funny name. What does he say?
He says, "Hello, Alex, and where is my coffee?"
No way. Does he really ask for coffee?
He hears me say it every morning, so he repeats it.
That is hilarious. A coffee-loving parrot.
Yes. What about you, Lisa? Do you have a pet?
I do. I have a rabbit.
A rabbit. That is very cute.
She is very soft and fluffy. Her name is Snowball.
Snowball. Is she white?
Yes, she is completely white, like snow.
Is she friendly?
She's a little shy. She likes to hide under the sofa, but she likes carrots.
A classic rabbit. So we have Captain the parrot and Snowball the rabbit.
We're very different, Alex.
Yes, I like loud pets and you like quiet pets.
Just like our personalities.
Exactly. Okay, let's move on. Let's talk about favorites.
Favorites. Like favorite food and color?
Yes, this helps people know your personality. Let's start with food.
Okay. Alex, what is your favorite food?
This is a hard question because I love food, but I think my favorite is a hamburger.
A hamburger. A good choice.
Not just any hamburger, a big cheeseburger with bacon, pickles, and lots of sauce.
Sounds delicious, but not very healthy.
I know, but it makes me happy. I eat it on weekends. What about you? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Sushi. Ah, see, you are healthy.
I love fresh fish. Salmon is my favorite.
Do you like the spicy sushi?
Yes, I like spicy tuna rolls. They are so yummy.
I like sushi too, but burgers are my number one.
That is fair. Okay, favorite color. What is yours?
My favorite color is orange.
Orange? That is an interesting choice. Why orange?
I love the sunset. When the sun goes down, the sky is orange and beautiful. It reminds me of that.
That is a very nice reason.
Thank you. And you? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Purple. Why purple?
I love flowers. Many beautiful flowers are purple. It feels magical.
Magical. That is a good word. Orange and purple. They look good together.
They do. Okay, favorite animal.
Besides my parrot?
Yes, wild animals.
I think my favorite animal is a bear.
A bear? Why a bear? They are scary.
They are strong, but they also like to sleep a lot in the winter. I can respect that.
Hibernation. Sleeping all winter sounds nice.
What is your favorite animal?
I love dolphins.
Dolphins are very smart.
They are smart and they love to play in the ocean. They look happy.
That fits you perfectly, Lisa. You are happy like a dolphin.
Aw, thanks, Alex.
Okay, let's talk about hobbies. What do we do for fun?
This is a very common question in interviews. What are your hobbies?
Yes, it shows what you are passionate about. So, Lisa, what are your hobbies?
Well, I love to do yoga.
Yoga. That is very good for your body.
It helps me relax after work. I do yoga every morning.
Every morning? You are disciplined.
I try. I also love playing video games.
Really? Video games?
Yes, I love adventure games and puzzle games. It is so fun to escape into a different world.
That is a surprise. A yoga-loving graphic designer who plays video games.
People are full of surprises. What about you, Alex? What are your hobbies?
My hobby is hiking.
Hiking? Walking up mountains?
Yes, I love nature. I love the fresh air. I usually go hiking on Saturdays.
That sounds tiring.
It is tiring, but the view at the top is worth it.
Do you take your camera?
Always. I take photos of the birds and trees.
Do you have any indoor hobbies for rainy days?
Yes, I like to cook.
You like to cook? Can you make good burgers?
The best burgers. I also like to bake bread.
Fresh bread smells amazing. You have to invite me over for dinner.
Deal. I will cook. You bring the green tea.
Perfect. Okay, we talked about things we like. Should we talk about things we don't like?
Yes, dislikes. This is funny. It is good to know what people hate.
Alex, what is a food you do not like?
I really do not like mushrooms.
Mushrooms? Why?
It is the texture. They are squishy. I don't like it.
I love mushrooms on pizza, in pasta.
No, thank you. You can have my mushrooms. What food do you hate?
I don't like coffee.
Lisa, how can you say that?
I'm sorry, it is too bitter. I need sugar and milk to drink it.
Oh, my heart is broken. Coffee is the elixir of life.
I will stick to my tea.
Fair enough. What about a situation you don't like?
I hate the rain.
The rain? But water is good for the earth.
I know, but it makes my hair frizzy and my shoes wet. I prefer sunshine.
I understand. I lived in London, so I am used to rain. But I hate traffic.
Traffic jams.
Yes, sitting in the car, not moving, it is a waste of time.
It is very frustrating. I agree with you there.
So, no mushrooms and no traffic for me.
And no coffee and no rain for me.
We are learning so much today.
We really are. This is a great list.
Let's review the structure for our listeners.
Okay, if someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you can use these steps.
First, name and basic info. Hi, I'm Alex.
Second, where you live and where you are from. I live in the suburbs.
I am a writer.
I have a twin sister and a parrot.
I like burgers and hiking.
And finally, dislikes if you want. I don't like mushrooms.
It is like a story, the story of you.
You don't have to say everything. Just pick the interesting parts.
Exactly. If you are at a business meeting, maybe don't talk about your parrot.
Right. Talk about your job and your skills.
But if you are on a date, definitely talk about the parrot. That is interesting.
Yes, it makes you special.
Let's try a quick summary. I will introduce myself using this structure.
Go ahead, Alex.
Hello, my name is Alex. I am 32 years old. I am from the UK, but I live in the US. I am a travel writer who loves hiking and coffee. I have a pet parrot named Captain.
That was perfect. It was short, clear, and friendly.
Now you try, Lisa.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lisa. I'm 24. I'm a graphic designer. I love yoga, video games, and sushi. I have a cute rabbit named Snowball.
Excellent. I feel like I know you very well now.
It is not so scary, right?
Not at all. It's just sharing.
I think our listeners are ready to try this.
I think so too.
Alex, I really enjoyed learning more about you today. I didn't know you had a twin sister.
And I didn't know you played video games. We are full of surprises.
That is the fun of conversation.
Absolutely. Well, I think our time is coming to an end.
Aw, time flies when we're having fun.
It does. But before we go, we have a request for our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Please go to the comments section below.
And answer the question, tell us about yourself.
You can write a full introduction or just one sentence.
Tell us your name, your job, or your favorite food.
Tell us if you like coffee or tea.
We want to know. We read every comment.
Yes, we love reading your stories.
And don't forget to practice saying it out loud.
Stand in front of a mirror and say, "Hello, my name is..."
It helps with confidence.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Loop today.
Thank you, everyone. You are amazing.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to speak.
We will be back very soon with another fun episode.
Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.